Aha! Santiza kitu kipya pale. Introducing Takatifu Remix by Youngblood Kamodo. Kuja hapa.
Asante kwa Roho Mtakatifu, Roho Mungu msaidizi, ananipa mwongozo dhabiti kufuata misingi ya Yesu Kristo. Nishampa moyo wangu falme wake wa mbinguni, nimekuamini kiutamani. Ananipa faraja daraja kuvuka mitego ya walaghai. Bila shaka yuko nami safarini, kiumbe kipya kitu kipya mimi na uzima. Upendo wake lazima nisambaze, baraka zake ndipo zinifuate, na neno lake lazima nitangaze, faraja zake sheria nizifuate. Roho ndani yangu, asante kwa Roho ndani yangu. Roho ndani yangu, ananituza huyu Roho ndani yangu. Roho ndani yangu, ananitoa takatifu, Roho Mtakatifu.
Hey guys, it's Numerous once again with a very interesting video. Kama vile mmeona introduction song manze. Today I'm going to talk about our upcoming musician mwenye anajituma kujituma by the name Youngblood Kamodo. Hey, wapi nduru za Youngblood manze. He's just 18, a musician, a DJ, you know, na ngoma zake zinafanya poa sana. You can go and visit his YouTube channel pale inajiita Youngblood Kamodo. Youngblood Kamodo akona ngoma, I think akona ngoma 2, and he's about to release another new song. So guys, if you want to hear more of him, enda tu kwa channel yake. He's doing amazing job. If you don't know him, he's a son of Virginia Wangari, the mother of 12. He's one of my favorite YouTuber in this, you know, and they are doing great job, and I'm proud of them manze. Kijana wetu anajituma kujituma, and I'm sure by the time akwe ile most famous, you know, because he's coming to be the most famous gospel musician in Kenya. He's taking over manze. He's taking over because he believes in himself, and he's working so hard to doing the best and giving us the best. Keep on supporting our young YouTubers. Yes, keep on supporting them. He's not a young YouTuber, he's the biggest YouTuber, and his channel is growing for it. So please don't forget to subscribe to his channel, and make sure you also subscribe to this channel. And please, I'm going to leave with you the other song which they have sung with his brother Nyanyo, and also he has a YouTube channel. So guys, subscribe, and thank you so much.
Ndimana ninakupa shukrani, najua wewe ni nani. Ndimana ninakupa shukrani. This is the day that the Lord has made. I'm dancing along to the rhythm in my head. I'm so far away. Kingly meditation, the beauty and the nature so wonderful. Big ship sailing on the ocean, God ride no commotion. Me na me life I am blessed. When God say none can